So as you can see here, this is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use. I'm going to show you how to use it. So first off, as you can see here, this is a AI application, and down here is pretty much where you enter what you want to ask the AI, pretty much like any other AI applications out there. And as well, you can tap on the plus icon here to pretty much upload your images, take pictures, or anything that is related to what you want to ask the AI as it relates to that. And as well, down here, I have the model which you can select. If I do tap on this option here, that be granted with all the AI models available in this application here. As you can see, I have ChatGPT Mini. You have the mix other popular AI models which users can see here. These are all the available AI models. Do keep in mind most of these AI models you will need a subscription. So if you don't have a subscription for these other AI models, you won't be able to use it. So do keep that in mind as well. So that's really pretty much it for that here. And as well, if you do want to send voice note instead of typing, you can go ahead and just use this option here. And as well, yeah, different options or different AI you can speak with. As you can see here, down here, if I scroll down a bit, you can speak with a fitness, wellness, therapist. All of these are categorized in different sections where you can speak with these specialists as it relates to specific things. As you can see here, you can tap on the see all option and you'll be able to see all of the available AI experts which can talk. So that's really pretty much it for that here. And then here, so you also have the image, I would say image templates which you can use. All you have to do is pretty much upload an image of yourself and you get these results. So as you can see here, you have the Simpson one, you have this one here, Pixar, and you have some other ones which you can also try as well. All you have to do is pretty much scroll across and look for what you want. So these are the only available ones. So let's say, for example, this one here, all you have to do is tap on it, tap on the photo option, or if you're going to take a picture right away, you can do that as well. But that's very pretty much it for that option. You have this one here where you have the study or work option, work related or homework, schoolwork. This here will be able to use as well. You have the video summary feature here, you have the document analyze feature here, and you have the maths solver AI option here as well. You have the note converter as well. So all of these can help you as it relates to you doing homeworks and so forth. So you can just tap on this option here, for example, and just go ahead and copy any link from YouTube, and it will pretty much summarize that YouTube video for you. Let's say it's a work on homework that was given to you. You can pretty much get a link, paste it here, and it will summarize everything important points for you so you can study. So that's really pretty much it for that there. And at the top here, you have some other setup like for meals and diets, nothing much. As you can see, you have the smart camera as well. You have the calorie tracker, and at the top here, you just have the AI models which you can select separately and use as well. But you can go down here and select them as well. So here we're going to ask the AI, okay, so nothing much, just send the AI a simple message. As you can see here, this is pretty much their response and so forth. You can also go ahead and download their response, copy their response, or tap on the circle icon here to get a different response. So at the top here, you may see a free message setup. Like all I have to do, this pretty much tells you how much free message you have. So do keep in mind this application, you're going to need a subscription because you can only send up to 6 messages for free. I'm not sure if it's a daily limit or if it's just entirely, but I'm figuring it's a daily limit. But anyways, so that's really pretty much it for the application. So for the subscription part, we're going to set this option here. Here you can see the ChatGO Plus version. Pretty much this is pretty much where you're going to get your subscription. So here, if you do tap on this option, you'll be able to see pretty much what you're getting with your Plus subscription and what you're getting with your Pro subscription. As you can see here, there are 2 different things: the Plus and the Pro version, as it relates to your subscription and your prices, as well as you can see the prices for this here. So this pretty much looks like it does offer only a yearly subscription. So that's pretty much it for that. And as well, if you do want to set any one of the AI models as your default AI models, you can select this option here in settings feature, and you'll be able to go ahead and select. So do keep in mind, you're going to need a subscription So some of these you may see plus, some of them you might see pro. So do keep in mind as well as it relates to the subscription that you're getting. So if you get plus subscription, you won't be able to use the pro subscription AI models. So for example, this one here which says pro, you do get the plus subscription, you won't be able to use the Gemini 2.5 Flash, which is this here, and that's pretty much the only one. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And as well, if you want to delete the history with the application as well, chat history, then go ahead and delete it here as well. So that's really pretty much for this application. If I miss anything at all, and you can pretty much go over here, you know, check on your chat. So all I have to do is stop on the 3 lines over 2 lines, and you'll be able to go back to your chat. So if I miss anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. See you guys in the next video.